Situation is in fact going out of hand. We are just bordering the severe category, and like the CPCB has in fact said that it's going to get worse, and that is what the forecast is, even according to SAFAR, which is the government website for pollution, which says that it is going to be in the severe category today as well as tomorrow. So 30th and 31st of the month are not looking good. Let's talk about where exactly the situation is very bad at the moment. Ghaziabad topping the charts at 443. We have Kanpur coming at 420. Gurgaon crossing the severe category. Noida, Delhi and Faridabad close on the heels just at the border, which is going to get worse today, and this is because the winds have become very calm and that stubble burning has increased. So the compound effect, we can see that the situation is going to in fact so we are in fact Delhi just as of now has hit the severe category. This is what was in fact said, and we were expecting that to happen. Let's talk about other cities other than Delhi where the situation is not looking good, whether it's Hyderabad, Chennai or Mumbai in the poor category. These cities with this proximity to the sea need in fact the pollution levels to be much lower than what we are seeing here, and of course Bengaluru coming in just at 99. Kolkata is the only one which is under the safe limit at the moment. Now let's talk about that CPC suggestions from the 1st to the 10th. They are expecting us now to stop all construction activities, stop coal and biomass plants, and that is expected from the 4th to the 10th. We are also expected to intensify transport, a check on the polluting vehicles, so all those visible polluting vehicles, whether those are diesel or petrol, and also the fact that those congestion points, whether it's Delhi, Faridabad or Ghaziabad and even Noida, and of course they want to minimize the travel of every individual, discouraging them to use private vehicles, and of course especially the ones that are diesel. Those are the kind of measures they're talking about. Now another problem when you're using public transport like cars and trains and planes, noise pollution increases, and that is now increasing the risk of diabetes and heart attacks according to a new study by Switzerland. And of course they're saying that the effects of noise pollution is very harmful, and the effects of air and noise pollution together is a compounded effect that we need to take in consideration, and it's almost as bad if not worse if we talk about that noise pollution situation. Let's look at the areas where the pollution levels are going to all set to rise, whether it's the North Campus, whether you have areas of the airport, the situation is not looking good. We have DTU where it's going to go up to 421 points, Mathura Road up to about 442 points. These are the areas where the situation like Punjabi Bagh going up to 435 points. So on the 1st of November, it's going to get very bad, and that is because again, like I said, the wind conditions and of course that stubble burning. Let's take into account Ghaziabad where the situation will be as bad as 472. Gurgaon is going to be bad as well. Now this is the area that you can see all in the red. This is Delhi, the NCR region, all in the red and the maroon, except for one or two areas where you can see they're coming in the yellow. But of course these are almost 17 to 19 stations where the situation is looking very bad. Now these are the farm fires. If you can see, this is the 10th of October, and let's compare that to the 15th of October, and now as of yesterday, the farm fires have increased in the region of Punjab and Haryana, which means that stubble burning is coming into Delhi, that those fumes are coming into Delhi, and of course the wind speed is just not letting it go out of Delhi. The kind of contribution of those farm fires out of the pollutants that we have already in the air, we can see that it went up to about 36, which was around the 26th. We saw a dip here that's coming down to about 10, and here another rise that we're expecting now, and it's going to be about 28% of the pollution in Delhi is going to be from farm fires, and then we're going to see a dip that's going to happen around the 1st according to SAFAR. So we're expecting the situation to get worse right now, and of course the wind conditions and the stubble burning is adding to the problem.